Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to import the contact list or how to create a list for the contacts in the Freshsales platform. The link in the description, click on it and you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate yourself to the left hand side, click on the contacts option that is underneath the dashboard, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here are different sort of options. One, you can personalize your CRM, import contacts, bring websites and lead, invite your team, route leads to your team. So right now the topic and discussion is importing the contacts. Just go ahead and click on that and then you'll be redirected to this page. Select a way to import your contacts. Either you can use CSV files or Excel file, Google Contacts, HubSpot, Zoho, Insightly, Salesforce, Bud, Drive, Outlook Contacts, and all that stuff. And that's pretty good. So all you have to do is to click next, and then click if you want to. My file has information about people and their companies. You can select with that. If it just doesn't have the information about the contact, just go with this option and then click on next and upload the file. That will do it. After that, it will just start reviewing the mapping and then it will import with the fields inside it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.